Hello, people! Today I shall regale you with an intriguing tale of innovation and everyday convenience. We often overlook the most mundane objects in our daily lives, but sometimes, even the simplest of inventions have the most alluring stories behind them. Today, we dive into the extraordinary history of the humble laundry basket. In the not-so-distant past, laundry day was no small feat. Picture a time when people had to haul their soiled garments down to the riverbanks or communal washhouses, armed with heavy buckets and a heart full of dread. Laundry was an arduous chore, to say the least, and it desperately cried out for a solution. Enter our hero, the laundry basket. Its story begins with the ingenious idea of crafting baskets from reeds and willow branches. These early laundry baskets were woven by skilled hands, creating lightweight yet sturdy vessels to transport the family's dirty laundry. The use of wicker not only made these baskets durable, but also allowed for airflow, preventing the clothes from becoming musty. A major win in the battle against laundry woes. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, and you'll find evidence of laundry baskets used in daily life. The Egyptians, known for their prowess in weaving and innovation, took laundry to the next level. They even incorporated waterproof materials like papyrus to prevent water from seeping through the basket and soaking the clothes. Now, that's some next-level laundry tech. The idea of the laundry basket traveled across continents and centuries, gradually evolving into different forms. Europe witnessed a weaving revolution in the 17th and 18th centuries. Craftsmen began producing laundry baskets with handles for easier transport. Suddenly, carrying a load of laundry became a manageable task. The laundry basket's journey didn't stop in Europe. With the onset of the Industrial Revolution in America, mass production took center stage. Companies like the Shaker Communities and the Longaberger family in Ohio began manufacturing laundry baskets at scale. These new baskets were not only practical, but also aesthetically pleasing, proving that even a simple household item could be a work of art. Today, we find laundry baskets in various shapes, sizes, and materials, from plastic to canvas. They come equipped with wheels, collapsible designs, and even laundry sorters. It's safe to say that the laundry basket has come a long way from its humble beginnings. As we reflect on the fascinating journey of the laundry basket, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of convenience. From the reed-woven vessels of yore to the modern marvels we use today, the laundry basket has indeed made our lives easier, one load at a time. So, the next time you toss your clothes into a laundry basket without a second thought, take a moment to appreciate the history and innovation that went into creating this indispensable household item. And as we continue to invent and improve, who knows what other everyday wonders await us in the future?